Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add or link bank accounts to crypto.com. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your crypto.com mobile application. Now once you are on the home page, you need to tap on the buy button in the top. Once done, it will show you all of the cryptocurrencies that you can purchase on crypto.com. So you just have to select any of the cryptocurrencies that you want to buy. After that, it will show you this type of section where you are going to see the cryptocurrency that you have selected, and it will show you the equivalent amount in the USD. So over here, you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to purchase. Then in the payment method, you are going to see the add payment method option. So you need to tap on add payment method. Then it will show you your fiat wallet as well, in which you can deposit EUR from your bank account, which will take 1 to 2 business days, and it requires you to give no fees. So you need to select the second option. After that, you need to check this box and press the next button. Once done, you will be redirected on the next page where you will be given a form in which you need to provide your banking details like your bank account number, SWIFT code, your bank name, etc. So you need to fill out those details, and then you just have to link your bank account as a payment method on crypto.com. Now from now on, you will be able to use that linked bank account in order to make purchases on crypto.com. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.